we're going to crank up our vehicle and do our air brake check. Air brake check is pass-fail on the test. Air brake check is going to check three things. It's going to check that that we don't have any air leaks in our system. It's going to check your low air warning device. It's also going to check that your spring brakes close when you get low on air. So we're at maximum pressure, governor cutoff. My tanks have purged. I'm going to roll my window down. I'm going to shut my motor off. Okay. I'm going to turn my key on so my gauge will work. And I'm going to release my parking brakes. Okay. I'm going to apply the foot brake and make sure my gauge settles. At this point, engine off, key to the on position, parking brakes released, my foot on the brake, air gauge settled. I'm going to time for 1 minute, get that started, and I'm going to watch my gauge, and I cannot lose more than 4 pounds in a minute on my air gauge. I'm also going to listen for leaks. You must tell the examiner that you're listening for leaks and that you cannot lose more than 4 pounds in 1 minute. The state does allow you to use your cell phone as a timer for this test. That's the only time you're allowed to use your cell phone, is for the air brake check, to do the minute time. Okay, we've gone our minute. We have not lost more than 4 pounds in 1 minute. Second part of the air brake check checks your low air warning device. What I'm going to do is fan my brake pedal, which is releasing it and applying it quickly. Approximately 55 pounds, or whatever the manufacturer has set the low air warning device at. Your light should come on, the buzzer should come on, warning you you are low on air so that you may exit the road safely to get off the road. And the third part of the air brake check checks to make sure that your parking brakes pop out when your brakes close. So approximately 20 to 40 pounds, your parking brake should pop out, telling you that your brakes are closed. Okay, there's my parking brakes. They have popped out, and that concludes my air brake check. Checking for the leaks, checking the low air warning device, and also checking that your parking brakes pop out.